Hello friends, my name is Hamad Ali. You are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a software that allows you to control your screen brightness with just a click and protect your eyes from damage. Isn't it amazing? So let's get to the way of downloading the software. Go ahead and open your browser. Copy the link from the description box, now paste it into the search bar and then hit enter. By hitting enter, a new window will appear. Now go ahead and click here. It will let you to another window. Now click on this link. It will take a few seconds to download. Now choose your location where to save the download, then hit enter. Now our software is ready. Go ahead and right-click on it, and click on the option Run as Administrator. Now go to the hidden icons in the taskbar. Click on this icon. As you can see, we have a full control of our screen brightness. If you have any question, knock me straight at the comment box. I will answer you as soon as possible. Like my video and make sure hit the subscribe button. See you in next video. Bye bye.